After 25 years of serving the insurance needs of Filipinos, AXA Philippines is gearing up for more changes and innovation. Today, we talk to newly appointed President and CEO of AXA Philippines, Ayman Kandil, to ask him why that is and what he plans to do to help more Filipinos protect what matters most to them. Good day, Ayman.
Thank you and good day.
First of all, I want to congratulate you. You are now the newly appointed CEO and President of AXA Philippines.
Thank you.
Yeah. So, I know that you're now the top leader of AXA Philippines. I want to ask, what can both your consumers and your employees expect from you in this, new era? Like, what do they need to know about you, both as an individual and as a leader?
I'm in this industry of insurance since almost 26 years. So I work in so many department functions. I started my career as an accountant. So I work in so many departments. I started also as an accountant. And then I was promoted to senior accountant, chief operating officer, and then to be the CEO of AXA Egypt. But I work in all the departments: claims, customer service, underwriting, call center, accountant, investment, sales, agency service. So I almost touch base with everything that was done, either from the kitchen or from a face-to-face with our distributor or the customer. And this gives me also a lot of insight about what is being done in order for the customer to take the end product. So it's not only that I'm selling for him a protection or a policy. No, on the same time, I'm selling to him the service that he deserves.
Right. So I know that we talked a little bit about your background in a leadership role in your previous roles. Can you expound a little bit more on that?
I benefit from my role being the chief operating officer, which is what I said before, which is the kitchen. And then I was promoted to the chief executive officer of AXA Egypt.
That's such a rich background. So you have this background in elevating the industry, protecting the policies of our consumers, and then also looking at leaders in your employee pool. That's a lot of things to look at, and it's really great to hear that you can bring that experience here to AXA Philippines. You've now told us about the leadership roles you took on before, but I want to dive a little bit deeper into your personal story. How did you come all the way from Egypt to the Philippines to, take part in AXA Philippines?
I came here in last year, in 2023, so almost by October 1st. To be frankly with you, I was worried a little bit because as a Middle East, I'm coming from the Middle East, from Egypt, so I don't know anything about Asia. And this for me was a little bit of what's the culture there? Are they going to accept me or not? But to my surprise, when I came, I felt that I'm still in home. I felt the same warmth that I feel in my home. It's a family culture that I felt it since day one. So on the contrary of what there was the perception that the culture is different, it's not an easy life, it's a mass industry, the market is totally different. I felt that I'm still in Egypt, so I didn't feel any kind of being a stranger here. And really thanks to the culture and the history that you have inside this country.
So I understand that AXA Philippines is celebrating its 25th year this year. What does this mean for you as AXA Philippines' new CEO?
So I have been here for almost 1 year. It took me a while to see all the values that is inside AXA Philippines. So since Mr. George T's dream in the early days to become the leader of the bank assurance and to have, and the integrity is a part of our values inside this company, I felt it. I think the vision is embedded. The integrity is very clear. How to serve the customer is part of the pillars that this company was built for. Also, what AXA bring from the best practices worldwide, We are in 50 countries. We have more than 147,000 employees and distributors. So serving more than 94 million customers. So I think all of this was injected inside this company since day one. And this is not only for the history, it's also for the future. So all of the values that is there, all of the best practices that was transferred here, this will serve with the vision of AXA Philippines, which has become a one-stop shop.
So you talked about such a very big ecosystem in the AXA Philippines, world. For its 25th year, can you share with us some highlights from this anniversary?
So the main focus on the coming chapters of AXA Philippines is to focus on our customer, which will be the main, and then our family, which is our distributor, our employees, and our partners as well, and how to serve and protect all the Filipinos and give them what they deserve from a product or a service.
Now I want to ask, what makes AXA Philippines stand out in the insurance industry?
So one of the vision of AXA from a few years back was how to become from a payer, which is the normal insurance company that pay claim, to a partner. And this changed a lot on the product that we are providing to our customer, because we are not providing any more products. We are providing to our customer solutions. And the solution comes with a lot of embedding value propositions. So we are not talking about only protection or investment or health or accident or car insurance, but it's an end-to-end solution that we give to our customer. And this put AXA in a different position because of the value proposition that it is giving to our customer. So we don't provide only paying claims. So when it comes to health, for example, we provide the well-being, how to protect yourself. So I am a partner with you since day one. I'm not just a claim payer at the end. When you are sick, I will give you the money in order to be treated. On the contrary, I'm with you since day one. I go with you on the well-being. I'm trying to protect you against any disease, and I give you a lot of alert, a lot of messages, a lot of precautions that you can take in order to make sure that you are safe. And then when it comes to the sickness or an accident, I am with you. I have to support you with a lot of second medical opinion, for example. It could be different kind of treatments that I'm offering to you as well from our providers. So it's not like the traditional insurance, which is an event and then payment. No, it's a solution from end to end that I'm a real partner with you.
Right. So it's not a one and done thing. It's like a whole journey with AXA Philippines. Amazing. So we've talked a little bit about what we can expect with AXA Philippines in the next year. Now I want to look at it from a long-term lens. So what can we expect from AXA Philippines in the next 25 years? And can you also talk a little bit about what your priorities will be?
So I have a vision, and I think this is what we all believe in. It's not about numbers. It's not about being number one or number two. It's about that AXA Philippines become the insurer of choice, which is all the Filipinos being touched by AXA in a way or another. So either by protection, by service, so we need to help, and we need to be here to help all the communities and population on the Philippines. So either on CSR activities or protections that we can give it to them, or as full solutions that we can help them, or on employment and employees that we can hire. We have more than 20,000 family members, which is, I'm not talking about employees, and I'm not talking about distributor. I'm talking also about their families. So, and this is how we touch each and everyone in the Philippines. So this is, I think, the vision of the coming 25 years. This is at least a mission to all our family here inside AXA Philippines to make it not a dream, but a real example for everyone.
Absolutely. Helping them protect what matters the most, right?
Yes.
There you go. Okay, well, that's all of my questions for today. Thank you so much, Ayman,
Thank
for
you.
spending time with us.
Thank you
It's
so
been a
much.
great, yes. And
Thank
I'm very
you.
excited to see how you will helm the top lead of AXA Philippines moving forward. And that's it for our video. If you'd like to talk more about money and finances or ask questions about investing in insurance, head on to the Money channel at the Rappler Communities app. Again, I'm Giselle Barrientos. Thank you for watching.